Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to this Rankr review. We are going to be taking a close look at Rankr in this review, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best results with Rankr. Rankr goes live on the 19th of September by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So Rankr is a software in form of a WordPress plugin, and it allows you to drive some free traffic through SEO. SEO simply refers to search engine optimization. So this allows you to get free traffic. This is a WordPress plugin. What you need to do is actually, once you get access, install this to your install this on your website, and then activate, and then you are going to be able to use this directly when you are creating posts. It also allows you to create backlinks that ultimately rank your website for the keywords that you are ranking for, and also ultimately get you free traffic for conversions, for sales, or whatever it is you want to use your traffic for. Now, the cool part of this is I've actually selected softwares that independently allow you to make money online with affiliate marketing using completely free traffic. Some of them don't even require you to basically sell anything to start getting paid. And also, I'm giving you content that you can also use with Rankr to also get free traffic and ultimately get some sales and start making some cool money online. So this allows you to rank based on different in different ways, basically from your title to your content to the keywords, and it actually tells you what you need to do, and then you are going to be able to see if you are actually doing it right or not. You are going to be able to also generate similar keywords to the ones you are actually trying to rank for, and then this also allows you to get traffic from these similar keywords also, which ultimately allow you to get eyeballs on your content, and then allow you to rank and ultimately get some conversions right there. So I'm going to be showing you the custom bonuses that I'm giving away with Rankr, and then I'm also going to let you see how Rankr works and how you can actually put this to use for your own profits. The first bonus I'm giving you is my recently launched software. This was launched on the 12th of September with Jake and Ugona. You are going to be getting access to the pro version of Viraffic. Now, Viraffic allows you to basically make free traffic pay you, even without you having to sell anything. This allows you to put some high quality conversion elements on videos, and also allows you to use other people's content to drive a ton of free traffic to basically any link, any affiliate offer. And this way you really don't even have to sell anything. Now, there are also other ways that allow you to get paid just from clicks. Yeah, so ultimately, Viraffic is a free traffic software and is also a money-making software, and this works for anyone irrespective of your level of experience online. Also, bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to another cloud-based software. Commission Flex gives you access to done-for-you squeeze pages, which you can customize. Now, what this does is it allows you to just add your affiliate links and then get this done for you squeeze pages, and then people would actually need to give you their email addresses to see what's on the other side. It also gives you access to done for you lead magnets, so you can actually start building your list on autopilot. You don't have to do any ad selling. This is what people actually want to see. Then they would need to give you their email addresses to get to the other side. Now, you have the option of adding lead magnets, which you are going to get access to in the software, which is done for you. And at the same time, you are going to be able to add your recommendations on the thank you page, which is the page anyone who jumps on these squeeze pages will be redirected to when they fill in their name and email address. So you can actually promote affiliate offers, build your list at the same time, and make money online right from inside one software. And this also comes with training on how to make money using completely free traffic. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to another cool plugin that allows you to drive some high quality social media traffic from your own WordPress website. Also, bonus number 4, another software that gives you access to done for you custom squeeze page templates with also lead magnet that you can use to promote affiliate offers and make money online. Also, bonus number 5, I'm going to be showing you how to do email marketing from your WordPress website without you paying monthly fees to autoresponders like Aweber, like GetResponse. You'll be able to manage your list, mail your list consistently from your WordPress website. I'm going to be showing you the plugins you need to install to do this, how to set everything up, and how to make this work for you. This is how to be profitable without paying monthly fees like most affiliates do to their autoresponder services. Also, bonus number 6, I'm going to be giving you access to 40,000 health and fitness articles. Now, obviously, you need to create a little bit of content to start getting some traffic with these. Now, I'm going to be giving you access to 40k health and fitness articles that you can simply copy and paste without you even having to sit and write any form of content. Now, the cool thing about affiliate marketing is you can actually make money literally in any niche. All you need to do now is go sign up for ClickBank if you don't have a ClickBank account already. And then once you are signed up, just go to Marketplace, search for weight loss, search for health, search for fitness, and then you're going to get a ton of offers. You can basically search based on gravity to get the offers that are selling best. And then you can actually get this, go and add these links in this article on your WordPress website. And then you can start ranking, start getting some free traffic, and start making easy ClickBank sales. And also bonus number 7, you are probably asking now, I don't have a WordPress website. I want to get one. I don't want to pay anybody to do this for me. I want to learn how to do this myself. I'm going to be showing you in this training how to create your WordPress website from scratch. You don't need to have any experience. I'm going to be showing you how to get hosting, how to get your domain name, how to put everything together to work for you. And then you can even start creating websites for other people if you want. And also bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. Now, what you need to do to claim all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Rankr. This is where you're going to be able to pick it up. This goes live by 10 a.m. That's by 10 a.m. on the 19th of September. This is when the sales page goes live, and this is when you are going to be able to pick up Rankr on this sales page. So feel free, come check out this sales page in your own time to get full information about Rankr. So I'm going to let you see how Rankr works, and then also I'm going to let you see the pricing. Let's talk about the pricing right now. I'm actually going to let you see how this works. So the front end goes for a one-time fee of $12.97. So there are so many ways this allows you to get traffic, which includes backlinking. This basically allows you to create links from your website on other high-ranking websites also, which is one strategy that's actually proven to get you higher rankings. So the front end goes for a one-time fee of $12.97, and there are also some optional upgrades that come with Rankr. So that's going to be my review for Rankr. Right now, I'm going to let you see how this works and how you can start putting this to use for your own profits.
Hey guys, it's your friend La here, and this is a quick demo video of Rankr. Okay, so Rankr, it's a powerful WordPress plugin that allows anyone to get more page rank rankings, and that way with more page rank rankings you can get more traffic from search engines, and this of course will end up in more sales, more leads for you, and all that cool stuff. Okay, so Rankr, it's a powerful WordPress plugin. Here I'm gonna show you all the main features that this plugin have. and how it will help you to rank better on Google and also help you to get more traffic and leads and sales from the search engines. Okay, so here very quick we have this quick dashboard here that you can see. Then you can see we have backlinks, we have social signals, SEO tags, and also Rankr will help you to optimize your WordPress posts. Okay, so let me show you very quickly how it works. If I go to the post here and I click add new, before I show you the other features here, I'm gonna show you that one. So here you can add a title for your post. Let's say I'm doing a post about weight loss. So I add a weight loss title here. Hey, this is a weight loss post. And I can save as draft here very quickly. And then as you can see here, below the post, you have a field that says optimize your post. Then you can add your keyword here. And the plugin will quickly show you what you need to optimize in your post to get better rankings. Okay, so as you can see, it's missing the H1 tag, it's missing the permalink, and it's missing the alt text in the images. So 2 things are right with my SEO and 3 things that I need to fix on my posts. So here you can see what you need to fix on your post in order to rank better on Google, and those here are our ranking factors that you need in your post in order to your post to appear on the search engines. Okay, so very quickly, Rankr will give you everything you need to optimize in your post to get your post optimized for search engines. So that's the first thing that Rankr does for you. Okay, another thing that Rankr does, it allows you to find keyword ideas and generate tags. Okay, so WordPress tags are a very powerful way to get more traffic, okay, from related keywords. And keyword ideas will give you ideas for your posts and all that stuff. So all I need to do, let's say I have a post about weight loss, I just type here weight loss, search, and I will be able to quickly see all those keywords that I can use to create my post around, or I can just add as tags so I will be able to get related traffic for those keywords, okay? So I just select the tags I want and I click add tags, and then it will add all those tags to my post, and that way I can get more traffic from related posts or related things to that keywords. Okay, so that's the second thing that Rankr will do for you. It will create WordPress tags. So let me publish this article here, and it's published now. Let's get back to the WordPress dashboard and go to the backlink section. Okay, so the next step then it's backlinks. So let me click backlinks here, and Rankr will create backlinks for you. Okay, it will open this page here. You add your domain name and click submit, and it will start to create backlinks for you. And also you can download those backlinks as PDF, so you can give like to your clients or to keep yourself a copy of the backlinks you generated. Okay, so it will generate backlinks for you. Also, you will be able to create social signals. So if I want to quickly share all my posts on social media, I will be able to. Okay, I can copy the link of the post, or I can quickly share on social media immediately. And I can create social signals that will help me with the traffic and also with the page one rankings. Okay, the above things that will help me with those both things. Okay, then we have SEO tags, and that's different from the SEO tags from the post. Okay, if you want to add tags in all your posts with one click, you will be able to do that. All you need to do is click this button here, and it will create tags for all your posts, all the posts in your website. Okay, and that way you will be able to generate more traffic from the search engines and more traffic from related keywords. So that's everything that Rankr does. Basically, it will optimize your site, it will create backlinks for you, it will create social signals, SEO tags, and give you keyword ideas. Okay, so that's everything it does. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you on the other side. Thanks.